Orbs, we're back. We don't want to be out here for that long. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Where did they go? There's one on the top left. There it goes. Oh, not that. There it is. There's two. Real faint ones. I got 'em. There's one on the top. Whoa. You're out of nowhere. The one on the right is a star. The one that just got real bright and disappeared is one of those orb things. There's another one right behind it, right there. Boom. Wow. That's crazy. And they just disappear. It's late too. It's like 3:20. I got off work and got out of the gym and drove home. Looked to my left. Strange stuff, man. It's like, I don't know what it is, but they're definitely conscious of you. Well, I mean, even if it's somebody like piloting drones, that would have to be pretty far. Because I'm 20 miles, like, outside of the little town. And then, like, I would say, like, 12 miles. I'm in the back roads, and then, like, 5 miles on a straight dirt road, as you can see. I mean, for drones to be that conscious or that aware of people watching them would be quite the feat of technology. But obviously they're not. It's here it goes again. Hold on. Let me see. It went out of focus. There it goes. That's that star. Hold on. There it is right there. Boom. Oh, there's 2 of them. 3 of them. See, it's like they know you're watching, and I'm in the middle of nowhere. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, There's something conscious about them. But whatever, people. You don't have to take my word for it, but whatever. Whatever. Trying to get the best quality here. It's pretty much the same spot from last time. It's probably like 100 yards further down. And there's not much around here. There you go. Well, one day, maybe on my day off, I'm gonna drive way out there. I'm gonna go that direction. That's crazy, huh? Wow, look how bright that one's getting. That's the fence post. There, that's stars. So you know it's in the sky. That's the mountain ridge. Some trippy stuff. Oh, there you go. I have a buddy that watches the UFO orb videos, and he texted me the last video I sent, last video I put out, and he was like, I was joking around with him. I was like, hey, these are some drones out there. I'm flying drones. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted. And I'm capturing it on video. I'm just messing with people. And he was like, for real? Like, really? The guy knows me pretty well, too. Like, no. Heck no. That's... Like, did you really watch the videos? It was way out there. And he knows this area. He's from this area. It's kind of one of those things that it's too surreal, and your brain wants to have a reason for it. And I think that's the whole point with the whole not orb thing. I'm sorry, I'm so tired. The whole drone thing. Oh, there you go. Is to deliberately muddy the waters. That one's pretty low. That one's almost like on the mountain ridge. It's to muddy the water so you dismiss stuff like this. So when you're driving home and you see some weird stuff in the sky, you're like, oh, it's probably just drones. Or if you were to just stumble on this video, drones can do that. But who's flying drones at 3 p.m. or 3 a.m.? in the middle of nowhere. And how do they know I'm watching it? You know, like, why are they flashing and getting my attention? Here we go. And if they were to do this to get people's attention, I guarantee you, if you go through Facebook in this area, nobody even knows that this happened, because everyone's asleep at this time. This is not a 24-hour town. It's a rural little town in New Mexico. It could have something to do with, you know, like Los Alamos or something like that. Roswell. I think Roswell's in the other direction. I think Los Alamos might be somewhere out that way. All I know is I'm going to drive out as far as I can on my day off and just see what happens. If you never hear from me again, you know what happened. Wow. Yeah, and there's no city over there where. Whoa, that one looks trippy. Still going. Where these are just airplanes landing. It's not Vegas, trust me. Well, not Vegas, Nevada. At home, it would be like that all night. You see airplanes coming in and out, but not that frequently either. Especially at this time. But if you go to the outskirts of Vegas, you see this stuff everywhere. Weird lights in the sky. You know, from UFO metallic ones to very energetic orb ones. From on the ground to the sky. Here goes another one. Oh, what is that on the ground? So what you're seeing over there, that's a big old hill. And whoa. So they're probably going down a little further, but it's not like ground level. You have to go down a big old hill. But it is kind of weird, man. I never seen them operate that low before. Here goes another one on the top. There's another one. The lens on this phone, the camera, it's better than the phones I had in the past, but not the best. I mean, you can't really see what you're really looking at, but let me give you another visual. Okay, so like you can see, I'm out in the middle of nowhere. Alright. See the fence lines, just like last time. And then beyond the fence line is mountain ridge. There's that same star. It's getting a little higher because we've been here a little long. A little longer than I expected. Not that much. Dog tired. So go home. This stuff's too cool to pass up, right? And I'll try to zoom in and zoom out, see if I can get a better visual. Oh, wow. I'm gonna try to change the camera spectrum. Give me a second. I'm gonna have to stop shooting real quick. Jump back on.